Multiple people want to come. Admit all. 13 people. Yes. Now, banking abbreviations. Say in bank interviews, they will normally ask some abbreviations. They will ask you to explain about it. See, for normal graduates, that is engineering or arts graduates, they will not ask you to explain about it. But in the case of commerce and MBA candidates, they will ask you to explain about it because they expect you to know about this. They expect you to know about this. So that is what is more important. So the banking abbreviations, you know, this is what is given here. Now, I would request somebody from our group, Babre, if you are going on coming like this, how will I concentrate on this class? These boys, I have told you, if the class is 8 o'clock, come there by 7:59. Wait. You fellows come at 8:10. Now it is 11:04. Coming and disturbing me like this. Or else I should make it a point not to allow people after the particular time. This is very bad. I am really sad over this tendency. There is no discipline. There is no punctuality. How can Vaishnavi Singh be taken? Why should they be given preference in the recruitment? If you can't keep up your schedule, then what is it? In interviews, real interviews, you will be asked to wait there for 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. And now you are coming for 11 o'clock class at 11:04. I have been very patient for the last 4 or 5 days, but this type of, because you know, my attention towards the subject is lost. My attention towards the subject is lost. So that is the problem. 1 minute, 95979. Added to this, some new members joining. 95979. Yeah. So now we are going to discuss about the banking abbreviations. Oh, Baba. Banking abbreviations.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I was having one question.
Yeah.
Like the 400 pages PDF that you have given, in that I was going through it. Like I have come across the information, all informations like the quarter results and all, RBI subsidiaries and all. Like, but there is like no banking terms information is given over there, sir. So what are the banking terms that we need to?
That is what we are going to see today now. Banking abbreviations. We are seeing now, but those questions are all covered in a Race Academy book and
Okay, sir.
Guidely book.
Okay.
And
so, sir, like
nothing else is required. You come to Federal Bank website. You come to the Federal Bank website. Under bottom, you will have glossary. You will have a column glossary. You can go through that. That itself will tell you ideas. But now I will tell you another secret. Another secret for you. Federal Bank federalbank.in. This is applicable for all banks, all insurance companies. This knowledge is same. Similarly, insurance company walas, you must try to know insurance glossary, GLOSSARY. You must find out that. So here, if we can find that glossary, I think I should search it.
Sir, can you just display the screen so that?
Oh, so screen is not displayed. That's problem.
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible, sir.
Visible. Yeah. No, screen is visible for banking abbreviation.
Yes, sir. The
Federal
search
Bank
is not.
Federal Bank,
Yes, sir.
we will see it afterwards. Now, we will start discussing about this banking abbreviations. Wherever necessary, I will explain. And I would like to go with whom should I select? I want somebody who reads things with interest, involvement, commitment, dedication, full involvement into this. You see, like Shivaji Ganeshan, Dilip Kumar, Raj Kumar and all, वो लोग act करने से इतना प्यार से act करते हैं. ऐसा मपी act करना है. ठीक है, act नहीं, read करना है. Anyhow, we will see what is going to come here. Srima will read very slowly. So like this. I want somebody who can read loudly. Magesh Kalangade.
Yes,
Magesh Kalangade, you are there?
Yeah, I am there, sir.
Yeah, please read. What do you see on the screen?
Okay,
Wherever necessary, I will ask you to stop and I will explain about them.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Please read.
Yeah. So first we'll go with the Reserve Bank of India and monetary policies. First is RBI. RBI is the Reserve Bank of India. Then second one is the MPC. It is Monetary Policy Committee. Third one is the CRR. That is Cash Reserve Ratio. Fourth one is SLR. That is Statutory Liquidity Ratio. Then fifth one is MSF. That is Marginal Standing Facility. Then sixth one is OMO. That is Open Market Operation. Seventh one is SDF. That is Standing Deposit Facility. Eighth one is LAF. That is Liquidity Adjustment Facility. Ninth one is WMA. Ways and Means Advances. 10th one is NDCL. That is Net Demand and Time Liability.
Stop. RBI, about it, I have already given you in that 400 pages material, which is given to everybody, probably in the first few pages, about Reserve Bank of India, its functions, and also what is the other one? Say its subsidiaries and all that. Now, coming to Monetary Policy Committee, also details given therein. 6 names of 6 people has been given. This has been provided to all the people going for Federal Bank, and I'm not sure whether it has reached the South Indian Bank people and National Insurance Company people. If you have not received it, you can message me. I will send that 400 pages material. But on seeing that, you should not get frightened. You need not read all that. You read first 50 pages only from that, because invariably the questions will be repeated. So that is one. I will do that for others. Now, next point is Monetary Policy Committee members. Details are given in that paper. Cash reserve ratio, right now it is 3%. And SLR, it is 18%. Invariably, in interviews, they ask a question, why CRR, why SLR? The answer is, in order to meet emergency withdrawals, banks to raise funds. That is what the answer is. Next one is MSF, Marginal Standing Facility, and then SDF is Standing Deposit Facility. At this rate, every day I am giving you banking frontline update, at the end of which all these rates appear boldly. Nobody reads it. The repo rate is 5.5. Then standing deposit facility is 5.25. Repo rate is the rate at which Reserve Bank of India lends money to commercial banks on the security of government securities for short term, 14 to 90 days. SDF is standing deposit facility. Wherever banks have got surplus funds and the inflation is very high, Reserve Bank may use this facility, asking the banks to park their funds with the Reserve Bank, for which a Reserve Bank will give 5.25% interest. Then next one is MSF. MSF. Say MSF means what? Marginal standing facility. I told you under repo rate, banks will be borrowing for short term, but when they need the money for long term, say 91 days to 1 year, they give security of government securities and borrow from Reserve Bank at bank rate, that is 5.75. And apart from that, say when the banks are need emergency fund overnight, paisa chahiye, after exhausting repo, after exhausting bank rate, then they can go again with securities to RBI and take money from them at MSF rate, and that rate is now 5.75. Invariably for commerce and MBA students, the interviewers will ask why CRR, why SLR. I already told you, in order to meet emergencies. Then OMO means open market operations. That is, Reserve Bank of India will be buying and selling government securities to the banks and other institutions. And thereby what happened? When they want to increase the money supply in the market, they will purchase they will purchase government securities, give money to the banks so that more money comes into their hands. But where they want to reduce the money supply in the hands of banks and others, they will raise government securities, and the money will come into bank, or money will come into the bank, or they will purchase for say government securities with the public. So the currency in circulation will come down. Okay. Next point, liquidity adjustment facility is the facility by say application of rates like repo rate, then MSF rate, etc., in order to regulate the money supply. The Monetary Policy Committee and the Reserve Bank's ideas are that the inflation should be 4% plus or minus 2. When it exceeds that, they will be using all these measures. Like when it comes down also. Right now, the situation is inflation is low. For the month of October, the inflation was only 0.25%. November particulars has not come. Liquidity, okay. Then WMA, ways and means advances, are advances granted by Reserve Bank of India to state governments and central government for short-term requirements. NDTL, net demand and time liabilities. That actually full definition may not be required. It is like this: the deposits from the public minus the monies that bank has kept with other financial institutions like RBI, State Bank and other banks. Once you subtract that, you will get a figure NDTL. This NDTL is relevant for CRR and also for SLR. Continue, read. Who was reading it? Please read.
Yeah, so yeah, okay. Then is Banking and Regulatory Institute. First one is the SEBI. Just a minute, sir. Can you hear me, sir? The first one is the SEBI, that is Security and Exchange Board of India. Then it is PFRDA, it is Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Third one is the NABARD, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Fourth one is the SIDBI, that is Small Industries Development Bank of India. Fifth one is NHB, that is National Housing Bank. Sixth one is FSDC, that is Financial Stability and Development Council. Seventh one is DICGC, that is Deposit Insurance and Credit Guarantee Corporation. Eighth one is FCI, that is Full Corporation of India. Ninth one is CRILC, that is Central Repository of Information on Large Credit.
Yeah. Here, what are the points I have to tell you? Boys, girls, for people going for the interview, I told you that day itself, you must be thorough with RBI, SEBI, IRDAI, EPFO, PFRDI, NHB, NABARD. So like this, all these institutions, broad ideas you must have, like where is the headquarters, who is the chairman, and what is the main function of them. That you must know. I will tell you whatever I remember now. SEBI is Securities Exchange Board of India, and Tuhan Kwanti, what Pandey? Some Pandey is the chairman of that SEBI.
Tugin Kanti Pandey.
Tugin Kanti Pandey, correct.
Yes.
The main function of SEBI is to say approve the mutual funds, say gives certificate for starting of companies for mutual funds, then money, then what is that? Merchant banking, kit funds, and all that. It also supervises the working of Bombay Stock Exchange, stock exchanges normally, but the famous ones now are, because everything is done online, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. And this alone is not sufficient. Whenever you go for an interview, better you get to know what SEBI has told recently. Please go to Google and search for it. What are the recent directives of SEBI? Recent directives of IRDAI? Recent information about PFRDAI. Likewise, you search and get to know the information. Same thing with NABARD also. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, that is the apex bank for supervising the working of cooperative banks and regional rural banks also. The chairman's name is Shadi. The main funds they have is Rural Infrastructure Development Fund, RIDF, and also they are the people who are supervising the RRBs and all, and also doing inspection. They have certain refinance schemes for cooperative banks and scheduled commercial banks also. SIDBI, Small Industries Development Bank of India. The chairman's name is Shivashankar Raman, and they are in fact in charge of MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises. A micro industry is one where the investment in plant and machinery is less than 2.5 crore and turnover means sales, is less than 10 crore. Then next one, small industry definition, investment in plant and machinery is less than 25 crore and turnover less than 100 crore. Next comes medium. The investment in plant and machinery is less than 125 crore and turnover less than 500 crore. For probationary officers level, this much is sufficient. You know the broad definition of this. Unless you are MBA or MCom, then you have to go to the website of SIDB and get to collect some more points about it. Same rule applies for NHB, National Housing Bank. It is the bank, so say, supervising the working of housing finance companies, which are mainly run by non-banking financial companies, and they also give refinance to the housing finance companies. There are also famous schemes like Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana and all, and further details about it, commerce and MBA students go to NHP and learn briefly. Financial Stability and Development Council. I have never heard about it much in detail. We will see what new information is coming about it. Financial, yeah, I will ask this, what is that called? P. Yeah, it is giving me some details. Financial, I will tell you, FSDC is not a statutory body. It was created by an executive. Statutory body means formed under law. Formed under law. For example, State Bank of India. It has been formed under State Bank of India Act. Like that, IRDAI. It has been formed under that act. But this was created by an executive order under Ministry of Finance. What is that? FSDC, Financial Stability and Development Council. This is for what? To strengthen and institutionalize framework for maintaining financial stability and promoting financial sector development. Its core objectives, I have already told you. FSDC is chaired by Union Finance Minister. This is what they will ask you. This FSDC means what? Who is the chairman of that? Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. Because I get confused. Even today when I was conducting an interview for a candidate, when I asked who is RBI governor, he remembers only Shakti Kanta Das. So I samapi confusion ho jata hai. Its members include Governor of RBI. I have to show this again. I have to revert back to this. Yeah. I have to show this one. Perplexity. Perplexity. One minute. Now somebody is coming. Swati Gestaldi. Admit all. Okay, very good. Now I am. This is what it is. Monitors macro-prudential supervision, then deals with issues of financial stability. Subcommittee is also there. Subcommittee of chairmanship of RBI governor to handle detailed issues of financial stability, sectoral development and inter-regulatory coordination. I am giving this in our WhatsApp group. I am giving initially in Federal Bank group. Later on, I should transfer it. Okay, that's correct. This much is will do for that question. Now we will go for the next question. Next question will be this one. Yeah. Yeah, please read non-banking. Padovji.
Aditi, you want to read?
Aditi, read. Anybody read? No problem.
Non-banking financial companies, NBFCs and insurance. NBFC, non-banking financial company. HFC, housing finance company. CIC, core investment company. IRF, interest rate futures. ULIP, unit linked insurance plan. GIC, general insurance corporation. MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. BFSI, banking, financial services, and insurance.
That's yeah. Here some points to be told. NBFC. Here there can be a question for commerce and also MBA students. What is the difference between NBFC and commercial banks? Commercial banks are formed under Banking Regulation Act. NBFCs are formed under Companies Act. Banking companies are supposed to maintain CRR and SLR. NBFCs need not maintain CRR and SLR. Both are under the supervision of RBI. Both are under the supervision of RBI. The banking companies, as I told you, they can accept both current account, savings account, demand deposits, and time deposits. NBFCs normally do not raise funds, barring a few companies which take fixed deposits. Their main function is to give finance to, say, microfinance, or do even, say, other finance like, say, lorry, car, housing, etc. So that is what they do. That is NBFC. But when you go for interview, what I suggest, you better get to know which is the biggest NBFC in your state, which is the biggest NBFC in our country. This type of details, please get to know and go for the interview. Housing finance companies, the majority of them are, say, formed with a view to giving finance for construction of houses, purchase of houses. That is because the population has been rising considerably. There is a need for extra houses. That is the reason. Then CIC, core investment company. I don't know what it is. I have not come across. Then other things, ULIP. ULIP means unit linked insurance plan. You go and buy this. You will invest 1,000 rupees. The company will invest a portion of it into, say, investment. That is share market or debt instruments, etc. Balance amount, they will use it for making payment of premium to cover your life. So these two aspects are covered. One hand, a portion of the money is used for raising your income. On the other hand, a portion of money is used for covering your life. GIC is General Insurance Corporation. This is the reinsurance company. Other companies, whenever they take big, what is that insurance? For example, some insurance company gets coverage of Reliance company, बहुत बड़ा, Tata's, खूब बड़ा. Then वो लोग क्या करेगा? वो रिस्क को थोड़ा शेयर करेगा. They will share the risk with the other company. They will go to GIC, who will do the reinsurance for collecting of some premium from the first company. MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. This is a code available at the bottom of check. I am not sure how many digits. Anybody knows how many digits? MICR? I'm not sure. Maybe 9 digits or 8 digits. Please check it up. When you go back to your home, you check your check. Bottom में आपको MICR होगा, magnetic ink character recognition. Why it is
9 digits, sir.
9 digits. Achha.
9 digits.
9 digits. In order, very good. Thank you. In order to identify the branch. But of course, now so many things have come. IFSC code also has come. Now, apart from that, BFSI, banking, financial services, and insurance. See, this is some. தம்பி மைக் ஆஃப் பண்ணு தம்பி. தம்பி மைக் ஆஃப் பண்ணு. காலு வலிக்குதுன்னு சொல்ற தப்பு இல்லை, காலு வலிக்க கூடாது. பட் மைக் ஆஃப் பண்ணிக்கோ. கரெக்டா? குட் பாய். Now who was reading this? Aditi. Aditi, read.
Sir, I was reading.
Yeah, read.
From Financial Action, right?
Yeah.
Financial Action Task Force and International Banking. First is FATF, Financial Action Task Force. AML, Anti-Money Laundering. CFT, Countering the Financing of Terrorism. OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. WTO, World Trade Organization. IMF, International Monetary Fund. WB, World Bank. BIS, Bank for International Settlements. SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunications. LIBOR, London Interbank Offered Rate.
See, actually here what is important is this AML, anti-money laundering. This
Yes.
comes under KYC. But the KYC is done by commercial banks, insurance companies, everybody, even the jeweler, he also does this before doing any transactions with you. You know why it is? Right now, all details about you, your horoscope is in the hands of the government. I am not DMK, but still let me tell you. So it is in the hands of government. That is by virtue of your Aadhaar card. It is linked to PAN card. So even if you go and breathe heavily in some place, it will be evidenced in the, what is that? PAN card and other things. Supposing you buy something for 2.5 lakhs, immediately it will be reported here. Very clever, Baba. For example, I withdrew fund from another country, and at the end of the year when I took a statement, pakka details comes. You fellow, you have drawn this much money in this country. I sum up pura details, pakka. Let it be 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 2 lakhs rupees. Everything is recorded. Nothing can go unnoticed when it is done in the proper channel. But people who want to make black money, what they do, they give loan. They give loan with some demand promissory note. They give loan in cash. They take interest also in cash, not covered. Such things may not be seen. So that is, you ask famous politicians, they will be able to tell you how they should do it. Some people do it by having Binami names. Binami names, the servants of their house, in their names, they will have deposits.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This happens a lot, sir.
Yeah, in North India especially, this is very famous. And not that South India, it is not there. I don't know. But that's what it is. So that is anti-money laundering. Prevent karne ke liye to KYC karna padta hai. For that, we have to collect any one of the 6 documents and also photograph and all that. But one good thing this has done is that prior to this arrangement, you know what used to happen? When I joined the bank and all for about 25-30 years, we used to ask people who are coming to the bank to get introduction. But now, no need for introduction. You need not go and request somebody. So that, in fact, there can be a GD topic on this also. Whether KYC done is fully beneficial or not. It is partly only beneficial. You know, many fellows, they manage to get 2-3 Aadhaar cards, 2-3 PAN cards. And we don't know what he is going to do if you rely on that. Similarly, on the other hand, when in the previous system of introduction, you will know somebody who is introducing you, unless that fellow also runs away, there is some way for checking it up. That is okay. Now, what else we should see? WTO is World Trade Organization. Just know the names that will do. SWIFT, I will tell you, it is an arrangement, communication arrangement by which banks exchange the code words, etc., when they open letter of credit and other documents, so that they can be verified and done quickly. Now, no longer Telegram. See, Telegram is no longer there. Likewise, this message reaches the next moment, they can decode and find out whether it has come from the correct bank. In the case of Punjab National Bank, Nirav Modi case, the useless fellows, what they did, they made code using Punjab National Bank's books. And they could not, others could not find out it is a bogus one. They made the code, SWIFT code and all, they sent it, but not through the accounts of the Punjab National Bank. With the result, so many letters of comforts were undertaking were sent abroad. Other banks relied on that because they deciphered, it tallied very much. So relying on that, they made finance to Nirav Modi and his people. And in the end, they did not repay. And the Punjab National Bank had to compensate 13 crores, 13,000 crores to the other banks. So that is what is happening. It's a goodness of SWIFT and badness of SWIFT also. You know, when you get a message and code tallies, no bank would like to talk to the other bank to check up whether it is genuine. They won't do it because second thing, there is no time. Third thing, there is time difference. It is daytime here, in foreign countries it is nighttime. So that type of a situation comes. Now next, somebody else can read. Volunteer to read, please. Somebody else.
So can I read?
Yeah, please read. But that question you should ask more boldly. Now ask again.
So can I read this?
Good. Please read. What's your name?
Sir Vaishnavi Singh.
Vaishnavi Singh. Vaishnavi Singh, I scolded you today. Can you tell me why?
So yes, I was late and yeah.
What type of a girl are you normally? Do you go late most of the times?
No, sir. Actually, I am suffering from fever and cold and cough, so I got up late.
Please, child, please take care.
Yes,
Take dawai, le lijiye, go to doctor, because all these days are very important before interview.
Yes, sir.
Your health is wealth.
True, sir.
Please talk. Please continue. Read.
Yes, sir. Digital banking and payment systems. NEFT, National Electronic Funds Transfer. RTGS, Real-Time Gross Settlement. UPI, Unified Payment Interface. NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. CTS, Check Truncation System. BAS, Banking as a Service. PPI, Prepaid Payment Instrument.
Yeah, I will explain. These are the questions they ask in interview. Invariably, they will ask, what is NEFT? You will tell. What is RTGS? You will tell. Then they will ask you, these two are remittance facilities. Then they will ask, what is the difference between these two? RTGS minimum is rupees 2 lakhs.
Yes.
Whereas NEFT no minimum. RTGS no maximum. NEFT also no maximum. NEFT is done in 48 batches per day. 24/7, 365 days. It is being sent every half an hour, one remittance. So in case you are remitting money through NEFT, the credit will go to the beneficiary's account maybe after a lapse of 45 minutes to 1 hour. On the other hand, RTGS above 2 lakhs, when the remittance is made and it will be credited instantly. Do you understand my point? Yeah. So that is what it is. Next one is UPI, Unified Payment Interface. Can anyone talk about this? I am teaching this for so many years.
Hello.
But still,
Hello.
I have never handled this. Tell me.
Hello.
UPI. Yeah.
So can I ask one question?
Tell.
Sir, then what is IMPS and what is the difference between RTGS and IMPS?
Good question. RTGS minimum 2 lakhs. IMPS can be less than 2 lakhs also. And the charges may be different. That is the only thing I can think of. I don't find any other big thing. And I'm not sure whether.
Sir, I think IMPS is up to the only 50,000.
No. Not up to 50,000.
Up to 5 lakh.
5 lakhs. 5 lakhs.
Oh, sorry, 5 lakh. But it is done instantly.
Up to 5 lakhs only,
And
instantly. And I was recently coming across, it seems under, what is that? UPI, they have put a restriction that in one account per day, you can remit only 1 lakh. I tried doing it as 2 days back. Once it became 1 lakh, it said it will not allow further remittance.
Yes, sir. For unverified payments, it's only 1 lakh.
Achha, verified payment. You are right. Like medical.
Yes, like verified payments like medical receipts and educational receipts.
That can go up
Yes,
to
sir,
5
5
lakhs. Some such condition is there. Good. Next, NPCI is national. I request all of you to go through NPCI website, find out what are their products, brief idea about their products. You must know about it. Please study. I don't have time. I can't be going through that and all because so much portions are there. Then CTS, check truncation system. See, prior to 210 and all, the check used to be sent to the payment bank. 1 minute, somebody is coming. Hold on. பிரசாதமா ஓ அப்ப கட்டிருக்காளா ஆமாமா நான் என்னோட சாஸ்திரம் coming Ram. Where are we now? We were in NPCI and then CTS, check truncation system. Prior to 2010, checks were sent to the paying branches. Nowadays, checks are not sent. Even last few years, checks are not sent. But now this system has come, check truncation system, through which only the electronic image is sent to the other bank which is paying. The original check is retained with the collecting branch. The original check is retained with the collecting branch. So this system is known as check truncation system, through which the collection of checks has been advanced very quick, and the result is known within one day itself. That much quickly things are moving. So it is a very good sign. From 1st January 2000, which date is that? Some date, Baba. Maybe 1st October or something.
So it's from 1st October.
Yeah, 1st October.
Yes, sir, same.
1st October 2025 or so it has come into use, and they say it will be fully operational from 1st January 2026. That is what the
Yes,
conclusion
sir,
is.
because it is facing a lot of problems.
Initially it will be posing problems. Yeah. It is true. Yeah, it happens. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, who was reading it? Some ladki was reading it. Vaishnavi, read.
Yes, sir. Government schemes and financial inclusion. PMJDY, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Mudra, MUDRA, that's Micro Units Development and Refinance Agency. PMAY, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. NPS, National Pension System. APY, Atal Pension Yojana. RSETI, Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. SHG, Self-Help Group. SJSRY, Swarna Jayanti Shahari Rozgar Yojana. NRLM, National Rural Livelihood Mission. PMEGP, Prime Minister's Employment Generation Program.
See, all these things are important for IOB, BOB, not for your Federal Bank or what is that? South Indian Bank. आप लोग का इतना important नहीं है, because they don't bother about it much. Just for information, you can get to know the details. And IOB people, BOB people, you must know the expansion. You must know how it is implemented. Some details about this, you must get to know that in detail. Of these important items are PMJDY, Mudra, then PMAY, NPS. Then NPS also, they don't ask questions. They just ask what is the expansion. APY, they will ask details also. Then SHG, they will ask details. Then PMEGP, they will ask expansion. So this is Prime Minister Generation Program, employment. Continue. Stock market.
Stock market and capital market. FII, Foreign Institutional Investor. FPI, Foreign Portfolio Investment. IPO, Initial Public Offering. SEN, SEX, Sensex, Stock Exchange Sensitive Index. Nifty, NIFTY, that's National 50. NAV, Net Asset Value. SME, Small and Medium Enterprises. ADR, American Depository Receipt. GDR, Global Depository Receipt.
Of these important ones are FII, Foreign Institutional Investors, and next one IPO, Initial Public Offering. So whenever a company goes to market for raising funds, they prepare a prospectus, they give it to SEBI. SEBI approves it. Then it is all done through a merchant banker who issues advertisement in newspapers and say in the internet, and then raises funds from the market. That is known as initial public offer. For the same company, when they want to raise money for the next time, second, third time, that is known as follow-on public offer. This will be known for people whose parents are investing in stock market and all that. For that only people have to open an account known as demat account with banks, and the banks, they in turn buy and sell shares through some brokers like Zerodha and all that. I don't know the details because as an old man, I don't believe in investing in shares and all that. That is the reason. It is wrong, but still I hold that view. Sensex is, say, the average of the 30 leading company shares quoted in the Bombay Stock Exchange. In Bombay Stock Exchange, you have these 30 shares coming from different walks of life. Like there will be chemistry, chemical company shares, IT company shares, railway company, then pharmaceutical, then educational, then banking, vagera, vagera, vagera. So what they do, every day, what is the price of these 30 shares? Total divided by 30, that is known as Bombay Sensex. That is what is now roaming around 85,000 or so. It's because money has lost its value. See, what was 20,000 in 2010 or 2020 or so is now 50,000. 50,000 today is equivalent to 20,000 of those days. So this is what it is, and that is all due to many reasons. All governments started distributing money like Katrikai, Murunkai and all that freely. So with the result, money available being more, the value of money comes down drastically. So, okay, where are we now? Nifty is the National Stock Exchange. There, you know, the 50 leading company shares. Again, different walks of life. But I don't know why it is always coming 1/3 of the Sensex. Then NAV is net asset value of units. You are buying unit from mutual fund by paying 10 rupees. The mutual fund is investing that money in stock exchange, so stock markets and debentures and all. And depending on the moment of the price of the shares, the value of the investment that you have will also change. And the unit NAV, net asset value, will differ. Where the prices are going up, NAV will go up. Where the prices are coming down, NAV will come down. SME, we know that. American deposit, okay. Now continue miscellaneous. Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Miscellaneous banking and financial terms. LRS, Liberalized Remittance Scheme. CASA, CASA, Current Account and Saving Account. PSU, Public Sector Undertaking. FSDR, Financial Sector Development and Regulation.
See, in all these things, what is more important? LRS. Yeah, CASA is very, very, very important in any current account and savings account. These two are demand deposits. CASA percentage means current account and savings account divided.
Sir, sorry for disturbing you.
Divided by total deposits into 100.
Hello.
Tell me.
Sir, I just want to inform you that I've just got the mail regarding my personal interview.
For Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अरे भाई तो न्यूज़ है किस तारीख है?
11, sir. 11.
Uri boy.
So early, sir.
They are pressurizing us, Baba. what will I do? These children, when they ask them to take my first mark, they are choosing 10th date, which I have given last date. ये तो नहीं चलेगा. You have to come for mock interview today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. That is
Yes,
the only.
that's why I've disturbed you. Sorry.
Very good. Doesn't matter. What is your name?
Jayesh, sir. Jayesh.
Jayesh. From Kerala?
No, sir. From Maharashtra, Mumbai.
Maharashtra, Mumbai. Bob, Ray, Bob. Very bad,
excuse me,
Baba.
brother.
ISMAP classes को भी समय नहीं मिलेगा. I will conduct mock interview. You try to learn from that only. From the mock interviews, you can come and observe the mock interview of others.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You can do
sir.
that. Your date is 11th, Jayesh. Your date is 11th.
Right. Yes, sir.
So when would you like
sorry
to?
for the interruption, sir. Jayesh brother, when was your GD completed?
It was on. I'm just not recalling date. It's on 28.
Would you upload a document?
I have uploaded already on the application.
Acha, uploaded already. Very good. So they will wait for the document. Documents ke liye they will give you 3 days time. After that, 4th or 5th day, they will announce you for the interview after 6 days. Bob, brave Bob. This much fast. I thought they are going to conduct only after completion of all interviews. I was more relaxed. But now, itna pressure मेरा पास हो गया क्या? Federal Bank, South Indian Bank, IBPS, IOB, BOB, oh Baba, all people. So I will have to going on talking from morning till evening. This is what it is. So now, yeah, we will reduce the timings of the classes, say about 30 minutes. Important doubts you will come and ask. We will make it like this, that 50 pages material first go through and make it 60-70 pages, no problem. Go through the website of Federal Bank thoroughly. Come here for doubts. Tomorrow only doubt session from 11 o'clock to 11:30. 11:30 we will have somebody's mock interview. That is how we will go. Jayesh, can you take your first mock tomorrow, 11:30 a.m.?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Okay, no problem.
Oh, you are ready taking. Very good. Yours is the. I have already started taking for others. You might have seen. Have you seen the videos posted online? Federal Bank, I conducted one mock interview today. Some boy, I don't remember the name. Jayesh, tell me your number.
No, sir, I have not. 8830.
88.
Am I audible, sir?
No, you send a message to me. I will take it.
30.
No, you send a message to me. 11:36.
Okay,
you send the message. I will take the date. So candidates, you should come to me rushing like this as soon as you get your interview call letter. Okay, please come. And Jayesh will have his second mock on. There is no time. Everything full up ho gaya ji. Jayesh, your second mock will be on. Should you travel or will you be in the same place?
No, sir, I stay in Mumbai only.
Then no problem. Your second mock will be 9:40 a.m. on 10/12. Please mark it like that.
So, excuse me, sir.
I am noting your number. 88304.
Yes, sir.
88304 noted. So tomorrow also 88304 noted. Up to 11 to 11:30 doubts clarification. 11:30 to 12:30 I'll go for some interviews. Somebody else can opt for interview tomorrow 11:50 a.m. 12:10 p.m. like that it will go. I'm sorry what to do. This is what it is available. Time is not there. I have given you sufficient materials. It is for you to go through the pages. If necessary, form groups after our classes and all, either in the morning or in the evening. Sit together and read and read. And whenever I conduct mock interviews, you know it is coming online only. Watch them. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, sir, what I was asking that the JD, you have scheduled the mock, right? So there is no change in that, right? Whose mock has already been scheduled.
Which one? No, for those people for whom I have fixed mock already, it will continue as it is, unless they are forced to have interview on 11th and 12th. If somebody is getting interview 11th and 12th, I have allotted for most of the people 8th, 9th and 10th. So for them, one more mock I will allot on 6th and 7th. That will be first and the other one will be second. I can make it that way. I will announce it in a video today to the members. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sorry, friends. I could not continue further because of the pressure. And now what you should do, you can go through this, and wherever you feel like getting some details, you can search in Google and try to get to know them also. A perusal of this will certainly give you fairly good idea about banking. And I was more keen about showing you one more thing, namely glossary. Wait a minute. In our say Federal Bank.
Sir, actually the screen is not visible. You present that screen.
Yes, sir. In our 1 minute, I will show you. If you go to Federal Bank website, you will get to see like this, and here you will have a glossary. I am giving that link in our WhatsApp group. For other banks, they can go through their own bank's glossary also. Otherwise, simply search in Google banking terminologies glossary. It will give you. You can read them. Here, it will tell you about why it is not coming. Not everything is important. Tomorrow, when time permits, or else now itself you note down. These points are important. All of you, let it come in video. You note down. In the Federal Bank glossary, these words, these abbreviations are important, and this will be of use for South Indian Bank, IOB, BOB also. Please note down ATM. Then bank assurance, banker's check, banking ombudsman, bouncing of check.
Sorry to disturb you.
Yeah.
Okay. Question. Sir, for tomorrow's mock interview. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah. Tomorrow's mock interview, whatever schedules are allotted, will continue as it is. Hello? Hello? No, your internet is totally weak. You can't come like this.
Sir, now am I audible?
Tell me, what do you want?
Hello.
Sir,
I just want to know what should I prepare for tomorrow?
Hare Baba, I have been conducting classes for the 3-4 days. I have told you from the first day so many things. You watch my videos.
Okay.
Otherwise, 1 minute.
Okay.
After this, you may have to wait for 5-10 minutes. I will show you one video. You see that. Okay. Certificate of deposit.
Okay.
Check truncation. Please stay on. Then core banking solutions, crossing of checks, current account, CVV, debit card, demand deposits, demat account, dishonor of check, factoring, foreign banks, forgery, general lien guarantee. I am telling from the angle of Federal Bank, whatever questions they have been asking. Hypothecation, identification, IFSC, indemnity, insolvent, introduction, joint account, kiosk banking, KYC norms, letter of credit, limited company accounts, merchant banking, MICR code, mobile banking, money laundering, moratorium, mortgage, non-resident accounts, NPA, online banking, then PIN, personal identification number, phishing, plastic money, pledge, post-dated checks, power of attorney. These things are important. Then RTGS, safe custody, savings bank account, teller, underwriting, universal banking, virtual banking, wishing, wholesale banking. I have covered all the points here. Now, boys, you can have a video I have prepared today. Watch it. I think it will clarify majority of your doubts. Where am I? 1 minute. Yeah. This one has been prepared mainly for IBPS, but it will be of use for you also. So now I should share this with you. Please watch. Actually, I prepared this for another company. So what I am going to do now, I will stop the recording, manage streaming. I don't want it to be blamed on me. I will stop this recording. Those who are here, you can watch it. You can share the information with others.